What's good, YouTube? We're back the next day. Another banger, of course, bro. We've been killing these markets. We've been cooking it up. I'm not gonna lie. We had the slow last week of August. Throughout the whole month of August, we had a great weeks, bro. And this week we've been cooking. We've been patient. The first 3 days we didn't take jack shit, and the last 2 days we've printed. That's what it's about. Literally knowing how to manage your patience, and when knowing when the market is right and ready for you to apply pressure and execute properly, have the best management, money management, risk management. That's what this is. That's what this shit's about. I honestly just couldn't be more glad of how patient I was the beginning of the week. I had so enticing moves, but it looked a little choppy to me. I didn't want to capitalize on the price action the beginning of the week, but on this one we cooked. This week we cooked. That's what it's about. That's the important part. At the end of the day, end of the week, end of the month, we're fucking green. I'm gonna break this shit down for y'all. Simple ass fucking trade. High time frame SMT with ES pushing all time highs, and Q still not pushing all time highs yet. Do I believe we run up there next week? 100%. But we'll see. Maybe we consolidate down here next week, and then the week after that we run up. Who knows? We'll wait for next week. High time frame SMT with all-time highs, and then we come down to 5-minute or the 15-minute, doesn't matter. We have this big liquidity pool down here, which is an 8:30, which was pre-market 8:30 data low news. So I don't know if y'all know, but data lows and data highs are pretty strong draws. They're pretty significant if you ask a guy like me, and London low was right around the area as well. So honestly, no reason as to why we wouldn't come down, especially after running up so much yesterday and overnight. So I don't see why. Yo, by the way, we bottom ticked yesterday, bro. We took this shit. Yo, if we would have held this shit to all-time longs, bro. Let's see if we'll see if by next week we would get stopped out if we would have entered down here. We'll see. We'll rerun that in the next recap. But yeah, so whatever. We come down here. We see clear rejection. We're about to inverse this 5-minute. This is really what I waited for. I waited for this 5-minute inverse right here. That's why I have that line marked out. 5-minute inverse. Came up into the inverse. I had a whack entry, I'm not going to lie. I could have waited and got a better entry if we came up into this IFEG. Or even the 5-minute fair value gap right here in the first place. But I wanted to secure my profits. I was okay. I was in a good amount sizing because I know I had a bigger stop than I normally do. And yeah, bro. Honestly, super clean, super smooth trade. I honestly thought we were gonna come up, but when we inversed this 5-minute right here, but ES was just creating SMT, which honestly even more confident. I could have sized in heavier, but that's just, I wasn't really in the mood to size up like that. I still made a good chunk of profit. I made like $3,990, some shit like that. Basically $4,000. So yeah, that, and then that's basically my entry. Like, that's basically my trade played out. It's not that difficult to get a good entry and to get a good trade and simplify it once you already learn everything. Once you put pieces together, bro, it's just a matter of time where you'll start learning how to properly place your trades and execute. But yeah, honestly, very simple trade if you ask a guy like me. Very clear. Bro, we had a bullish SMT up here. We inverse 5 minutes. 2 5-minutes actually, believe it or not. 1 5-minute, 2 5-minute, and a 15-minute. Well, the 15-minute was way after. But I was already sitting in profits. But yeah, I capitalized $3,990 today, something like that. And yeah, if you guys want to learn how to trade with me, I would say apply for the funded U, but that is cut today. Today's a final day where anyone is even allowed to. Today we're accepting final payments basically, and if you want to trade with us live on Discord to catch these same trades, you can copy my trades. You can do whatever. I'll have a link in the description for the Discord. I'll also leave all my social medias below if you want to follow my TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. I'm going to get insanely active on those and insanely active on here for y'all. Let's time to run this shit up. Let's fucking go.